In 590, the objective is to construct a Mars rover kind of model. The interesting thing with 590 is that you get to work with a lot of pretty high-tech stuff. Professor Lang brings in computer vision and lots of fancy radio control and autonomous electronics. We're going to give you a lot of the technology because obviously there would be no way to start from scratch with that stuff. The advantage is that at the end point you have a pretty sophisticated little thing going, which is pretty neat. And you're going to get exposed to a lot of pretty high-tech technique.
Each team gonna drive their rover, go into this dark room, find the particle, get the particle, take picture, and send to the base. This rover can navigate on another planet's surface and search the microscale particles on the ground and transfer the particles into the optical microscope. I think this kind of training is super important. I want to encourage the students to show your own idea and to be creative.
They get the experience of being with the same team all semester long, which they may like or dislike. They also get to see their rover develop throughout the course. Students walk away with the ability to troubleshoot, to problem solve, to work together with teams. They learn to solder, they learn to work with Arduino, and they learn to code in Python. It gives them a little bit of a sampling of all of the different types of engineering that they can explore, and it often helps students walk away with a better sense of future studies.
So our team designed a rover that has these...
I hope students can find what they like and they know what the specific direction they really interested in. Engineering could be very beautiful, and engineering can change the world. Engineering can make our life better. And I do hope each student, they're gonna love engineering.